Okay, when you start solving trigonometric problems, the first thing you need to do is to be able to correctly label each of the sides of the triangle. Now, in the trigonometry we're dealing with here, you always have a right-angled triangle. Must be a right-angled triangle. And you will always have an angle that you are given the value of, or perhaps, on more difficult questions, you need to find out the angle. But there will always be one of the angles in the triangle, other than the right angle, will be marked. And I've labelled it using the Greek letter theta, which is commonly used to label angles, but it could be labelled with any letter, sometimes another Greek letter, or sometimes a letter with which you will be more familiar. So, I have a right angle and a marked angle. Now, the three sides of a right-angled triangle are the hypotenuse, which we label hype, the opposite, which we label op, and the adjacent that we label adj. Now, the first side we will label is the hypotenuse. You know the word hypotenuse well from your work on Pythagoras' theorem, and it is the longest side, or we can think of it as the side opposite the right angle. So it's the side that doesn't touch the right angle. This side touches the right angle. This side touches the right angle, but this side does not touch the right angle, it's opposite from it, so we label that the hypotenuse. Okay. Now, in this triangle, okay, we now need to find the opposite side. Now, the opposite side is opposite the triangle, opposite the marked angle. And in this case, the marked angle is theta. So opposite is over here. Not this side, because this side touches the marked angle. So opposite the marked angle, op, and next to, or touching, or adjacent to the angle, the adj. In this triangle here, this side touches the angle, this side touches the right angle, this side touches the angle, this side doesn't, it is opposite the right angle, so that is the hypotenuse. This side is opposite the marked angle, so is the opposite, and this side is adjacent or next to the marked angle. In this triangle here, this side is the hypotenuse, it's opposite the right angle. This is my marked angle, go across the triangle, the opposite side to the right angle is the opposite, and next to the right angle is the adjacent. Okay, we can now go on to use this labelling to then solve problems in trigonometry, and that will be the next video.